Now we are going to start next topic, the advancing monsoon. Advancing monsoon start from early June and continue till mid-September. In this season, low pressure condition over the northern plain intensify. It attracts the trade wind of southern hemisphere. This trade wind originated over the warm tropical area of southern ocean. They cross the equator and blow in the southwest direction. So it is entering in Indian Peninsula as southwest. Early in the season, the windward side of Western Ghats receive very high rainfall, more than 250 centimeter. The Deccan Plateau and part of Madhya Pradesh also receive some amount of rain in spite of laying in the rain shadow area. The maximum rainfall of this season received in the northeastern part of the country. Mawsynram in the southern range of Khashi Hills receive highest rainfall in the world. Rainfall in the Ganga Valley decreased from east to west, and Rajasthan, Rajasthan and Gujarat get very less rainfall. Another phenomena is associated with the monsoon. It is the tendency to have breaks in the rainfall. The breaks in monsoon means rains take place only for a few days at a time. These breaks in monsoons are related to the movement of monsoon trough for various reasons. The trough and its axis keep on moving northward or southward, which determine the spatial distribution of rainfall. That is about the advancing monsoon or rainy season. Here you can see the map of advancing monsoon and the direction of wind or monsoon wind. Next topic, the retreating monsoon or withdrawal of monsoon. This season fall between October and November. It is a period of transition from hot rainy season to dry winter season. The withdrawal of monsoon is marked by clear skies and rising temperature. Day temperatures are high and humid, but nights are cool and pleasant. This is commonly known as October heat. In the second half of October, the mercury begins to fall rapidly in North India. The low pressure condition over northwestern India get transferred to Bay of Bengal by early November. This shift is associated with occurrence of cyclonic depression, which is originate over Andaman Sea. These cyclones generally coast eastern coast of India. That means delta of Kaveri, Krishna and Godavari, and also coast of Orissa and West Bengal. It causes heavy rainfall and widespread rain. The heavy rainfall on Coromandel coast is derived from these cyclones and cyclonic depression. That's all about the retreating monsoon.